What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Look, today's video, y'all, I'm about to be putting on the 5-inch exhaust tips from Vicrest, man. Shout out Vicrest, you know. Kind of in a rush, y'all, right? This video is kind of like out of order, right? Currently, I'm in the back of a gas station, man. You know what I mean, bro? Working on the car right now for y'all, you know. So this right here, I'm literally about to ship the car off. So I'm doing this right before I ship the car off, man. So yeah, look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Road to 10K. Let's get to it, bro. All right, so look, as y'all see, man, shit, we have the car, like I said, bro. Literally, I'm at a gas station, man. You know what I mean? I'm in LA. You got the Hilton back there, downtown, man. Well, not downtown, but you know. So yeah, man, look, got the car, man. It's currently, let's see. It's currently 1:26, man. We shipped the car out at 2. All right, CEEFAM. So only thing I'm about to do, man, I have my toolbox right here, CEEFAM. Got my toolbox, man, and got my 2 exhaust tips. So only thing that they have underneath here, y'all, is a screw on this side, well, a bolt on this side, and a bolt on that side, right? So I'm gonna just get underneath here, undo one from right here, the other one from right there, and then yeah, I have my hammer as well to be able to, you know what I mean, hit the exhaust tip off if need be, right? If need be, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what size bolt that is under here. I did this on my red eye. I did this on every charger I had, but yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know, man. Like I said, I'm kind of in a rush, CEEFAM, trying to be done by at least 1:40. All right, so let's get to it. See, hey, this boy look good. I ain't gonna lie, look good. All right, CEEFAM. So if you go underneath here, right, you'll see that it's this bolt right here, bro. So it's a 13mm screw or 13mm bolt. So yeah, all I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna just, whoa, my bad, wrong side, bro. I'm not a mechanic, but I don't mind doing stuff on my own. All right, so that's all I'm gonna do, man, is just unscrew it, bro. You know, that's the only thing that's holding this thing back, bro. 13 mil. So I'm gonna do that on this side, you heard me? Too easy. And then yeah, that's it, bro. So yeah, let's get to it, man. It's your boy C-Will, bro. I really do this mechanical stuff. Do this mechanical thing, bro, all on my own, man. You know, so yeah, that's pretty much done, you know. And yeah, I'm not gonna unscrew it all the way. I just want to get it to where it's loose. All right, so, oh snap. I'm about to do the other side now. All right, and I got the other one right here as well, bro. Like I said, 13 mil, bro. Hey, this boy right here tight. Ooh. It's cool though, brother. This is what we do, CEEFAM. Exactly what we do, y'all. Yeah, it's 1:30. I'm trying to finish literally about 1:40, man. So yeah, I'm really like that though, CEEFAM. So y'all don't know, now y'all boys know, you heard me? So yeah, now that we got this one right here done as well, all I'm gonna really have to do now, CEEFAM, is just hit it with the mallet, man, right? So that's pretty much it. So let me get my mallet right quick. All right, get my mallet, CEEFAM, and just dangle this thing out. I'm gonna hit it a couple times. Let me see. This boy's still in there. Might have to hit. All right, just like that, we got this one out, man. So yeah, let's go do the other one, CEEFAM. Let me see. Oh. Oh. Boom. Got both of them out, y'all. So let me just show y'all right quick comparison, man, from the stocks to the big boys. Like I said, y'all, look, this video, man, literally on the fly, y'all. So as y'all can see, bro, this is the same inlet, right? So they got the same inlet, 5-inch. Well, I'm sorry, the outlet on these 5-inch, outlet on these might be 3.5, I don't know. But yeah, as y'all can see, bro, huge difference, CEEFAM. from the stocks to these ones, bro. Huge difference, man. So yeah, all I'm about to do now, man, is put these back in. You know, like I said, it's 130 something right now, almost 140, bro. So yeah, almost at our target time, man. So let's get to it, y'all. All right, CEEFAM. I mean, like I said, bro, it's really like a direct placement or direct replacement, right? So all I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna get underneath here and I'm gonna just, you know, plug them in, bro. That's it. It's real easy, bro. Real light install, bro. Real light, slight install. So, oh damn. Well, don't do that though. Don't mess around and do that, CEEFAM. So. There we go. So boom, got one in, and then shit, let's do the other one, y'all. Yeah, like I said, this is all off of whim, CEEFAM. All off of whim, man. Hopefully this is good placement for y'all, so y'all can see, man, everything I'm doing. Literally, just, man, putting it in, bro. If y'all boys got a problem with putting it in, hey, that's on y'all. Shit, I got 2 kids. Boy, I got 2 kids, y'all, so. Bro, it's the wrong side, my bad. Voila. So, as y'all can see, CEEFAM, I got them in, right? It's too easy to just turn them though, right? So now all I gotta do, y'all, is just turn them. This one look like it's pretty good already, right? But I'm gonna just put it up a little bit more and kind of flush with my rear diffuser, y'all. So that's all I'm about to do right now, man. So let's get to it. I might just hold it like that and then just tighten it back up, you know. So this side is good. This side right here, CEEFAM, obviously I just gotta turn it and then, yeah, just make it straight, you know, make it flush with this one. So stay tuned, man. All right, CEEFAM, look, bro, so it's currently 143, you know. Kind of want to show y'all right quick. Well, shit, it's 144, man. So I was gonna finish at 140, but as y'all can see, bro, shit, we got them things on, man. You know, look a lot better, at least to me, you know. Ain't no such thing as stock, man. So initially I wanted this right here to be, I guess, a little bit more flush, but like I said, I'm kind of on a time crunch, y'all, you know. So like I said, our appointment is at 2 o'clock. It's 1:44. Now my wife calling because I told her to call me. Let me see. Hey.
It's 1:45.
Okay, yeah, I'm about to, well, I'm basically finished right now, so I'm finna go over there. Or shit, if you want to meet me at the place, and that's fine too. But yeah.
So you already left?
No. I'm still like right next to you. But yeah.
Okay, well, I just got the nursing her again. She doesn't really want to. I think she's really with the phone.
Oh Lord.
Here, can you finish? Are you finished? Okay, I'm putting it away now.
All right, well, hey, I'm about to put all this stuff up, okay, in this video, so that's fine.
Okay.
All right, I love you.
You too.
All right, bye. All right, so yeah, y'all, like I said, bro, like this right here should definitely give it a more aggressive look, aggressive stance and all that, bro. So I'm about to have to move out the way because cars is coming back here and trying to move. So yeah, let's get to it, man. All right, CEEFAM, so look, man, now I'm finna give y'all a cold start, right? Light, slight cold start with the new exhaust tips on. Some people say it make a difference, some people say it don't. I think it really don't. I already got a mid-muffler delete, so I don't think that's gonna make a difference, but y'all be the judge, man, not your boy CEEFAM. know what? You know what? I lied, bro. That bit definitely louder a little bit, for sure. Yeah, that bit crackled and popped and all that, bro. So, yeah, it definitely make a difference, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all, boy. Definitely make a little slight difference, man. But yeah, I'm about to, hold up. But yeah, now y'all, I'm about to meet up, man, with my wife. And then, shit, go from there, bro. Damn, yeah, I gotta go meet up with her right quick and all that good stuff, dog. Oh, this boy's low. Hold up, let me make sure I'm good, bro, cause yeah, so like I said, bro, now I'm finna meet up with her right quick, and then yeah, we both gonna head over to the thingy, man. So yeah, let's get to it, man. Sheesh. Finna go drop the car off, y'all, but overall, y'all, that's how you install your 5-inch exhaust tips, man. Like I said, shout out Vicrez, man, because I got mine through Vicrez, y'all. So yeah, shout out to them, bro. I'm not sponsored by them, I wish, but shit, it is what it is, y'all. It's all good, man. So yeah, let's get to it, man. Busy day for you boys. See, well, I got 10 minutes of my appointment, so yeah, I'm just pacing it right now, y'all. I'm going through it right now. So yeah. What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C Will back at it with another slight video, man. Look, it's early, y'all. It's early. It's probably about, shit, I don't even know. It's probably about 6:50, man, November 5th. You know, today is the day, y'all, that we shipping the car out, man. So all I'm gonna be doing right now, bro, I'm gonna just be prepping the car, y'all. For the most part, man, I'm gonna just be worrying about the inside. The outside, bro, I'm gonna just hit it with a light, you know what I mean? Pressure wash, bro. That's it. I'm not gonna be putting soap on it, nothing like that, bro. The car really isn't dirty, to be honest. Just got a couple little marks or whatever on it, bro. Bird poop, whatever y'all want to call it, man. Cause yeah, like I kind of figured in my head, y'all, I'm like, hey, I got a 3-hour drive to the Los Angeles VPC, or Vehicle Processing Center, for the people that don't know, right? So even if I detail it and all that stuff right now, y'all, it'll be dirty by the time I even get there, right? At least the outside, bro. The inside, I'm gonna really spend some time on it, man. Vacuum it. I'm not shampooing, nothing like that, bro. You know, if it need extra works, I'm gonna give it the extra works. But for the most part, man, pretty much just gonna rinse the outside off, the wheels and all that, for sure. And then yeah, go from there, man. So yeah, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, bro. Today is a big day. Today is gonna be a hectic day. All right, so stay tuned, man. I'll holla at y'all.